I thought we might have a little bit of fun in doing a showdown between two particular tools. And the two tools we're going to be talking about, well, these are outlet testers. The outlet tester on the left is the tried and true Klein Tools RT250. And the outlet tester on the right, well, that is KAIWEETS tester. That is a KT301T. Full disclosure, I did purchase the Klein tester with my own money, and the KAIWEETS tester was sent to me so that I could share it with you guys. Both of these testers do require two AAA batteries, and they are both about the same size, with the KAIWEETS having a slightly larger LCD screen on the front. The layout of the buttons and the operation is very similar, and they both have the red and green indicator lights on the bottom. Both of them require you to turn them on before they actually start to read the voltage. And looking at the screens, you can tell the KAIWEETS is sampling a little bit faster than the Klein. That's why the Klein is steady. The KAIWEETS is taking a sample just about every second or so. On both of them, we have a green light indicating that it is the correct wiring. In fact, the Klein tells us it's correct. The KAIWEETS tester on the screen also tells you that the wiring is correct. Now, sometimes you find yourself in a situation where you have to unplug the unit. Maybe it's in a place where it's upside down or in an area where you just really can't get a good view of the display. Both of these units, because they have a battery in them, will hold the display on for a little bit of time so you can check them. That being said, the KAIWEETS screen will stay on a whole lot longer than the Klein Tools. It blinks out after a few seconds, and the KAIWEETS one just keeps it on the screen so you can reference it at a later time. Both of these testers do have a test button, and that is to test the GFCI circuit breakers or outlets. When you press those test buttons, it will trip the breaker on those outlets, indicating that they're working properly. The KAIWEETS has a visual representation that you can glance at really fast and tell that your neutral, your line, and your ground is all properly wired. The KAIWEETS also has a green backlight, and the Klein Tools has a blue backlight. The KAIWEETS has a bigger screen. As you can see, those numbers reading the voltages is quite large. So what are my final thoughts of the two testers? Well, I think they're both absolutely fantastic testers. I don't think you're going to have a problem if you own either one of these. I do think if you put them neck to neck, the KAIWEETS kind of wins with the bigger screen. I also think the layout of the screen is a little easier to read at quick glance. It's also a little bit cheaper than the Klein, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.